Hey guys, welcome back to Bear Mountain Builds. I'm Zach. Now, as you can tell from this video's title, we're not building anything today. We are going to be celebrating hitting 100,000 subscribers on the channel. Along with, I want to give thanks to you guys, and we have some channel updates to go through, so let's get started. Welcome to Bear Mountain Builds, and today I'm going to show you how to build an asteroid target. Hey, welcome back to Bear Mountain Builds, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. And today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. And today I'm going to show you how I turn this into this. So Bear Mountain Builds has officially hit 100,000 subscribers. We've even got our neat plaque that I've always seen on other YouTube channels, and it's so cool to have one now, but the only reason I have this is because of you guys. So I really want to just thank you for watching my videos. I mean, there's so much stuff you could be doing in your everyday, and I know you're all very busy, but you sit down and you watch my videos, so it really does mean a lot that you're watching this stuff and you're subscribing. I just can't thank you guys enough. I wouldn't be here without you. Now, let's get this up on the wall. So we've hit 100,000 subscribers, and it really started to make me kind of reminisce about this channel as a whole, because I remember when I first started the channel, I had no idea what I was doing. I just started filming videos and just threw it at the wall and see what would stick. But I remember when I did my first video ever where I installed a glass shower wall, and I stood in front of the camera to talk to it, and I was gonna explain something, and I stood there and I blanked. I couldn't think of anything. So I ended up having to go and get a piece of cardboard and a Sharpie, and I wrote on my piece of cardboard what I wanted to say, grabbed some painter's tape, and stuck it to my tripod just underneath my camera. And you can actually see in the video me looking below the camera as I read off of my little piece of cardboard. I'm Zach, and today I'm gonna show you how to install a glass wall into this shower. Now, it might seem tricky at first, but once I show you how it's done, it's actually pretty simple. Now, I also remember when I was in my old shop and it was dark. I had a single table. You could actually see it in my old miter saw table video. I was pretty proud of it. It was a good build, and I posted it, and I got a lot of comments from you guys saying that you really liked the build, but the music was horrible. And I never really understood that until about a year later. I finally went back and was like, all right, I'm getting a lot of comments here about this music. I'm gonna watch this back and really see if the music's that bad. And I watched back through that entire video, and the music really is horrible. But it's just kind of cool to see how far the channel has come since then. But I got those videos posted, and I remember when I got my first dislike on a video. And I gotta say, I was ecstatic, because it meant that somebody who I didn't know had watched one of my videos. And I was like, this is the coolest thing ever. Somebody actually clicked on one of my videos, and it's not my mom. This is great. Then we hit 100 subscribers, and that was a huge milestone. I was like, wow, I have 100 subscribers now. And then a year in, I hit 1,000 subscribers. It was actually the day after Christmas, and it couldn't have been a better Christmas gift. And now we're 100 times that. We've hit 100,000 subscribers, which has always been a milestone for me on this channel, but it just seems so far away for so long. But we're here, and I just want to thank God and thank you guys just for watching these videos. It really means a ton to me. Now, one of the coolest parts about having a YouTube channel like this, I'm just some guy in his shop in Minnesota building stuff out of wood, and I have people all around the world watching my videos, and I think that is just the coolest thing ever, which is why I had started my flag wall in my shop, because I want to include you guys. So my whole plan for this is, if you are a subscriber, you let me know where you're from, and I will get your country's flag up on the wall. I currently have 67 flags up there. You don't see your flag up there, let me know in the comments where you're from, and I'll get your flag up on the wall. If you are still watching this video, it means you're part of the hardcore Bear Mountain Builds audience, and I kind of want to pick your guys' brain, because I have a couple of channel updates I want to be making, and this channel is all for you guys, so I want you guys to play a part. So in the comments, let me know what you're thinking after I kind of go through all this stuff. So first off, I want to get content out a little bit faster for you guys. So usually I've been kind of doing about 4 to 6 weeks to get a video out. And that's because I film 2 days a week usually, because I have a day job. I don't do this all the time. And when you build a project and film it, it takes about twice as long. But I'd like to get stuff a little bit faster out for you guys. So I'm going to be doing 3 days a week with a goal of getting videos out every 3 to 4 weeks. Now, I don't promise that I'm going to hit 4 weeks every time, that's for sure, especially for some of those bigger projects, but I'm going to do my best. As you know, I've been giving away free plans for over 3 years on this channel, but we're going to be changing that a little bit from here on out. So, all of my videos that I say I'm giving away plans for free are going to stay free. However, everything else I'm going to start charging a couple bucks for. It's going to be probably $1 for the really simple ones, and then maybe $3 for the more complex ones, just because I put a lot of time in those, and it covers the cost of having my website and the plan store open in the first place. But on top of that, I'm going to be having a Patreon account where I'm going to be putting all of my plans into the Patreon, and then for a small monthly fee, you can get access to all of my plans. In the comments, let me know what you think of all this. I mean, it's kind of a pretty big change for the channel, so I just want to hear your guys' opinions on all this stuff. And then on top of that, I'm thinking about selling merchandise. So as you can tell, I have some Bear Mountain Build shirts that I wear in all my videos and everything. I'm going to be probably making a few more of these. I might be doing some that have some of my catchphrases on there, like big and beefy or rock solid or anything. But really, I designed these hats for myself and my groomsmen in my wedding, and I had a lot of other friends kind of saying they wanted this hat, and I'm just curious if you guys would too. Would this be something you're interested in? So let me know also if you would consider buying merch. It's always been something I've kind of thought about, but I was just like, does it actually sell at all? I don't know. Let me know. I just want to know if you guys are interested at all in anything like this. I think it's a pretty cool hat, but there you go. Now, if you are still watching this video and you are not subscribed, thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all my future videos. And if you found this video informative or like me at all, hit the like button. And then, as always, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of all of these big changes, of hitting 100,000 subscribers, of wanting a really cool hat, really anything that comes to your mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. So 100,000 subscribers was a huge milestone for Bear Mountain Builds, and I still like setting more goals, but I like more tangible goals than just vague numbers like 1 million subscribers or anything. So I thought it would be hilarious if Bear Mountain Builds had more subscribers than a state. Now, it's not like we're coming for Texas or anything yet, but the state of Wyoming is full of beautiful country, but not people. Because it has a population of 578,803 people, and I want Bear Mountain Builds to beat that. So we are going for 578,804 subscribers. So if everybody from Wyoming would just subscribe, we'd be there today. Thanks, Wyoming.